Hi guys, today we'll be visiting the Union Building. The neoclassical Union Building housed Pretoria's government headquarters and presidential office. Designed in 1908, the sandstone wings represent South Africans, Afrikaners, and English people, joined by a central courtyard. While the building isn't open to the public, you can always enjoy the surrounding gardens and statues, like Mandela statue. Let's go, guys. See you when we get there.
All right.
This is the protest. We've been here since 2018. We came here in 2018. We gave a memorandum to the president, Mr. Ramaphosa. But at the time, he wasn't the president yet. He was still the vice president. So he told us that he doesn't have any power. If he was president, he would have done more for us. Then he became president, but now ever since he hasn't answered us yet. He hasn't come back to us yet, nothing. So we handed a memorandum with 4 points. One of the 4 points would be the recognition as the First Nation. The second one would be the return of the ancestral land, because us Khoisans, we are plus minus 7,000 to 8,000, so we need a place where we can all be together. The third one being our language. On South African money, even on the coat of arms, our language is being used, but it's not an official language of South Africa yet. But it's being used. It means it's our language.
The Xhosa.
No, it's a Nama language.
Nama, okay.
Yes, it's a Nama language. And then the other one is in the books of government, we still refer to as colours. We are not being referred to as Khoisan, we are not being seen as our tribe, so we're still being referred to as colours. So we'd also like to have the move colour to be removed from books of government, and then we like to be known as our own tribe, nation that we are. So that's the memorandum that we handed to the president. So we're still waiting on the president to come back to us. But if Jamaica can help us,
Here we are. There it is.
so much.
Okay.
You see.
Amandla.
Amandla.
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. But you're still here with me.
Hey guys, we're at the Nelson Mandela statue. The late President Nelson Mandela. We're at the park, and the statue, his home. There he is. And guys, I have to show you what they have here planted at the front. This is a garden right here. You know they have a big marijuana tree right there. Look at that. What is that one back this way? What going on this way? Sun is so hot I can't see nothing. Tanisha, I know you're going to kill me, but I left my sunscreen and it's hot.
Last year. Last year.
No, here, go back. Don't go too close. So you can get everything though. And then you come around.
So each and every year, the president.
Wait, Josh, come in here. Wait. No, wait. Let him come. So you can hear what he's saying. What is this monument about?
This monument is for the police, all those police who die on the duty or who shoot on the duty. Their names, the president will come and put their names here.
Okay.
So each and every year, they will be
Honored.
honored.
Beautiful.
You see.
And
Each
this
is for
last year.
for last year.
2022.
Yeah, 2022.
Yeah.
Then 2023 they will come again and
Yes.
put it here.
Amazing.
Yes. So all
Let's
these
stop
are
it and
police
start
will-
it.
sitting there. Yes. And the president will be here. Addressing them. Yes, in the address.
This is where the president stands.
But actually, this thing it must come here.
No, come and take a picture with us.
Okay.
Okay, it's in there. I'll start with the shoulder one.
Make sure I don't repeat.
Okay, don't worry.
Beautiful. You take a video while he's
You
talking.
see that side with the white pole. So if the president's around, they're gonna put South African flag. But if not around, there's no flag, which means not around. So mostly if it's around, they put a flag. If not around, no flag.
Okay. So this is the president having.
Yeah, that is the flag of the president. Every president from outside of the country.
Yes.
They'll come here, they put 21 guns here.
So this is like your White House, like America White House.
Yes.
Ah.
Uh-huh.
What's the name of the president now?
This one is Union Building.
What's the
What
name?
is the president name? Cyril Ramaphosa. Cyril Ramaphosa.
Syria Ramaphosa. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we need to take a picture here.
Yeah.
How are you? I'm feeling fine.
Let's come inside.
Come. So let's come over this way. You get nothing, You left it with Josh.
I figured that. But then I just tried calling him, the phone was dead.
Dead like dog. Dead like dog.
When you see this statue,
Yes.
they said the original one is in France.
Ah,
But this one, they said it's a photocopy. I don't know whatever.
Photocopy, uh-huh.
But they
Replica.
said when we see this, the horse, the other legs up.
yeah. The
which
horse
means-
leg.
Yes, the horse leg, which
Yeah.
means they died in the war.
They died in the war. Okay.
Where when you see the horse, all the legs are down.
Down.
Which means all they were alive.
Yes. Ah.
So when they're doing like this, which means they're saying, let's unite.
Ah.
Let's work together. That's why they are holding.
So they're
the
crying for
word.
peace.
Yes.
Ah.
They said, if I'm not mistaken, they said it's Apollo and Apollo, something like that. I can't remember the name, but if you Google it, maybe you can find it. That's the meaning of that horse.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, King John.
There you go, there's South Africa man. Yeah, at Sandton, the shopping mall. Whoa.